Hey everyone, imagine a world where doctors diagnose diseases earlier, cars drive themselves safely, and artists collaborate with intelligent tools to create stunning work. That's not sci-fi, that's AI in action today. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the most exciting applications of AI across industries, show real examples, point out the challenges, and give you clear next steps to start using AI yourself. If you like practical tech breakdowns and friendly examples, you're in the right place. Before we jump into examples, a quick definition. AI means systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence like perception, decision-making, or language. There are two useful ways to think about AI applications. One, industry-based, like healthcare or finance. And two, capability-based, like computer vision, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Knowing both angles helps you spot where AI fits a problem. First up, healthcare, one of the most impactful areas. AI helps detect diseases from images, predicts patient risk, speeds drug discovery, and personalizes treatment plans. For instance, deep learning models can analyze X-rays and MRIs to spot early signs of cancer with accuracy approaching human experts. AI also powers virtual assistants that help triage symptoms and manage chronic conditions. The result is faster diagnosis, fewer errors, and more tailored care. Next, transportation and logistics. Self-driving cars and intelligent route optimization are the poster children here. Autonomous vehicles use LiDAR, cameras, and deep learning to perceive the environment and make split-second driving decisions. On the logistics side, AI optimizes delivery routes, predicts demand, and automates warehouse operations with robots and smart sorting systems. These applications reduce accidents, cut costs, and improve efficiency. Finance is another huge AI playground. From algorithmic trading that analyzes market patterns in milliseconds to fraud detection systems that flag suspicious transactions, AI is central to modern finance. Natural language models also summarize financial reports and power chatbots for customer support. The key benefits here are speed, scalability, and risk reduction. But remember, models need careful oversight to avoid amplifying biases. AI is reshaping education with personalized learning. Adaptive learning platforms tailor lessons to a student's pace and style, while AI tutors provide instant feedback on writing and problem solving. Teachers get analytics that highlight where students struggle, so interventions can be timely. This doesn't replace teachers, it augments them, making education more accessible and effective. Creativity and AI? Absolutely. AI generates music, assists in film editing, creates illustrations, and even helps designers prototype faster. Tools like generative models can produce concept art or suggest variations, speeding up ideation. Importantly, AI is a collaborator, not a replacement. Artists use it to expand their creative toolkit and iterate faster. In manufacturing, AI and robotics boost productivity and safety. Vision systems inspect parts for defects at speeds humans can't match. Predictive maintenance uses sensor data to forecast equipment failures before they happen, minimizing downtime. Collaborative robots, or cobots, work alongside humans, handling repetitive or dangerous tasks. Together, these improve quality and reduce costs. AI is already in our pockets and homes. Recommendation systems power streaming platforms and e-commerce. AI assistants help manage calendars and home devices, and smart home systems optimize energy use. These everyday applications often go unnoticed, but they shape convenience, personalization, and how we consume information. AI brings huge benefits, but we must address ethics and risks. Common issues include bias in training data, privacy concerns, lack of transparency, and job displacement. Real-world examples show what can go wrong: biased hiring tools or surveilling systems that invade privacy. The solution is not stopping AI, but building it responsibly. Better data governance, explainability, human oversight, and strong regulations. So what next? Expect more foundation models, better multimodal AI that understands text, images, and audio together, and wider deployment at the edge for privacy. If you want to get started, learn basic ML concepts, experiment with pre-built APIs and low-code tools, try small projects like building a chatbot or image classifier, and join communities to stay current. Practical skills plus ethical awareness will make you invaluable. All right, that's a whirlwind tour of AI applications across industries. If one thing sticks, it's this: AI is a tool that amplifies human capability when used thoughtfully. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more deep dives, and drop a comment with which AI application you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.